Assalamualaikum dear students and listeners. This is Sugra Lade, lecturer in English at Government Girls Degree College, Ladkana. Dear students, my lecture is on the text 5 from the post section of the inter class. The name of lesson is Act 3, the Silver Box. So let's read to know. Dear students, we study the short introduction of the author of the Silver Box, about the story of the Silver Box, and in the last, the critical review on Act 3, the Silver Box. First of all, the introduction of the author. The Silver Box was written by John Galsworthy. He was born in 1867 and died 1933 in England. He belonged to rich and most educated family. He was famous English novelist and playwright. The Silver Box was his first play, published in 1906. Being a part of high family, he criticized upper class values. Most of work was based on social issues. The Silver Box is one of them. He got Nobel Prize in Literature 1932. Now let's move to the story of the play. The Silver Box is based on 3 acts, Act number 1, Act number 2 and Act number 3. We study Act 3, the Silver Box. Dear students, do you know what is act-wise play? You have read already in first year class. Remember? Yes. Act-wise play is a play where all actions happen in one act with no break. The setting of the Act 3 of the Silver Box was in London Police Court. Means the scene was started in the court. There were 2 different cases brought before the magistrate for the trial. Case 1, the case of 2 little girls. Case 2, the case of the theft, the Silver Box. Case 1. Main characters: Moll Livins, Harissa Livins, Mr. Livins, father of 2 little girls, relieving officer, magistrate. In case 1, the relieving officer brought 2 girls, Moll Livins and Harissa Livins, in the court. He told magistrate that girls were found crying on the street. The father of the 2 girls was jobless. For reason their mother had broken up her house, left 2 girls crying. She went away with someone else. Mr. Livins, the father of 2 girls, was also called in the court. He told magistrate that he was too poor, not in position to look after his daughters. So he requested magistrate to send his daughters to the orphanage. Magistrate remanded both girls for a week. In this way, case 1 was closed up. Now come to the case number 2. Main characters of case number 2. Magistrate John Barthwick, member of parliament, having high status in the society. Jack Barthwick, Mr. Jones, Mrs. Jones, Roper, the liar of the John Barthwick. Case 2. Case of the Silver Box came up for the hearing. 2 charges were taken together against Mr. Jones. The first charge was the stealing of cigarette box, and second was to assault on the police officer. Dear students, according to the story, Jack Barthwick snatched the purse of a lady under the effect of alcohol on Easter Monday midnight. Means he took a lot of wine and became senseless. Even in drunken condition, he was unable to open his house door. He was looking for the keyhole on the wrong side of the door. Meanwhile, Mr. Jones was passing by the Jack's house. He had Jack to unlock the door. Jake invited Jones in his house for a drink. After taking more whiskey, Jake offered Jones to take anything he liked because he helped him. Jake slept on the sofa and Jones took silver box and the purse and went home. Next morning, a lady came to the John Borthwick and told him that Jake snatched up her purse of money last night in drunken condition. John Borthwick gave some money to the lady to close her mouth. She left. Meanwhile, Mr. Butler is the servant of John Borthwick, came and informed about the theft of the silver box. The wife of Jones was made house and was more suspected by the theft, but she refused continuously by calling herself a laundry maid. John Borthwick called the police. Police had searched the house of Mrs. Jones and found the silver box and the purse. Mr. Jones assaulted on the police officer when police officer called him a thief. So police had arrested Mr. and Mrs. Jones. During the proceedings of the case in the court, John Borthwick was too worried about his son and his social status. In the hearing, Jack refused to recognize Jones. Even Jack told magistrate while opening the door, he lost latchkey in the door. And Jones followed up. But Mr. Jones was shouting that he was not a thief. He was called by the Jake. Mr. Borthwick forced Roper is the lawyer of John Borthwick, to keep purse out of the paper. Means the matter of the purse must not be discussed in the court. Roper requested magistrate behalf of Mr. Borthwick to consider the poverty of the prisoners. Means the charge of the silver box was not praised, but dealt with the case as one of disorder. Magistrate punished Mr. Jones 1 month's hard labor, while Mrs. Jones was released with honor. So students, this was complete story of the silver box. Now let's study the critical review. In the Silver Box Act 3, John Galsworthy showed the picture of poor families very clearly. Like Lavin's family suffered a lot, and Mrs. Jones was starting to get seriously discouraged after losing her job. She would face hard days after definitely. Actually, the sufferings of the poor families were the result of unemployment and poverty. Do you know, students, there were two major problems of the British society in the 19th century. One was unemployment and second was poverty, which writer duly showed in his play. Similarly, Arthur criticized the British legal system, which was dual legal system, where poor had to punish under the law, while rich was favored by the justice. As Jones was punished and Jake was favored, though both had stolen, Jake stole the purse in drunken condition and Jones stole the silver box and purse in drunken condition. In real sense, Jones was not a thief because he did not enter in the house to steal, but he was invited by the Jake. Poor Jones cried in the court, but no one believed him. Writer showed the meaningful and harsh picture of the upper class, especially John Borthwick, who had hidden his son's crime. He was afraid of if his son's crime would be talked in the court, his reputation was ruined. Dear students, this is home assignment for you. Compare and contrast two major characters, Jake Borthwick in Mr. Jones. And write down the answers of the questions given on page number 72 from the Inter English Textbook. Thank you. Goodbye.